Welcome students. Come towards Standard 11th Maharashtra State Board syllabus. In this syllabus, in mathematics, there are two parts. Part first, part second. In part first, there are different topics, which are first topic of which is chapter first, angle and its measurement. Students, you know about the angle. Angle, such a type of figure, we call it as a angle. AOB. We draw it from 3rd standard up till 10th standard. Okay, angle AOB. Now, what is mean by angle? Angle contains two rays. This is ray. This is called as a fixed point or end point, and it is called as a moving point or terminal point. Terminal point or moving point. What happens? There are two different rays, such that we combine them where at end point, and they are not lie on the same line, means non-collinear, and therefore its definition which is known to you is union of two non-collinear rays with common endpoint. This common endpoint, okay, this common endpoint we call it as a, what is its name? Vertex. This is nothing but the vertex, angle, and you draw with the help of compass any angle. This is initial ray, then this is also angle, POQ. It is also angle. This is initial ray, say this is ROS. This is also angle. You know angle, okay. Then from this year, what is new? We consider new type of angle, and that is called as a directed angle. Directed angle. Already we use this in drawing the angle. How? What we do? Take a point in O in a space, then draw first initial line or ray, and then with the help of compass, what we do? Find the angle of different measures. What we do? This is such a type of angle. It's called as a directed angle. How? What is its definition? Directed angle, there are two rays. It is the ordered pair of rays. It is the ordered pair of rays. Ordered pair, just like your coordinate system x, y. What is ordered pair? Rotate such that, कशी आहे ही ordered pair? Such that rotate. काय केलं आपण? रोटेट केला. कोण केला? रे OA about O. रोटेट रे OA about O to obtain position OB. To obtain position OB याला म्हणतो आपण called directed angle. Called directed angle. Rotate ray OA to about O to obtain the position OB in this direction. So this is called as a directed angle, and it is denoted by angle AOB in this direction. This is a directed angle having certain direction. That is the directed angle. Okay, AOB, rotation दिलाय मग. Suppose this is first angle, this is first ray, or this is our first ray, OB. Rotate it in downward direction to obtain the position OA. This is also directed angle, but it is denoted as a BOA. OB कडून OA कडे रोटेट झाला, OA कडून OB कडे रोटेट झाला, डायरेक्टेड अँगल. मग आर दे सेम? अँगल तर दिसायला सारखे आहे, मग दोन्ही सारखे आहे का? तर त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला बघायला लागेल पहिल्यांदा साइन कन्व्हेन्शन. साइन कन्व्हेन्शन. साइन कन्व्हेन्शन मीन्स इफ रोटेशन. आता हा जो डायरेक्टेड अँगल आहे याची बेसिक कन्सेप्ट आहे. वन्स वी ड्रॉ द डायरेक्टेड अँगल, देन काय केलं आपण? एक रे पहिल्यांदा काढला. हा रे हा आहे, हा फर्स्ट रोटेट रे OA, म्हणजे OA पहिल्यांदा ड्रॉ केला. वी कॉल इट ॲज अ इनिशियल रे और R. Initial ray or initial R, and this is we call it as a terminal ray or terminal R, and this is we call it as a vertex to known you. हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, याला वर्टेक्स म्हणतो आपण. फक्त हा आपण आता याला सिस्टमॅटिक पद्धतीने पहिल्यांदा O घेतला, नंतर OA काढला, तो इनिशियल रे रोटेट केला टू ऑब्टेन द पोझिशन OB, अँड देन अँगल AOB इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ डायरेक्टेड अँगल डिनोटेड बाय AOB लाईक दिस. ओके. देन साइन कन्व्हेन्शनसाठी दिस अँगल if rotation given to initial R, rotation given to initial R, initial R is in anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, this direction, anti-clockwise direction, then angle is then measure of directed angle, measure of directed angle is positive. त्या अँगलचं माप काय घ्यायचं? पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचं. दिस अँगल इज पॉझिटिव्ह. दिस अँगल इनिशियल रे OP, rotate it through 60 degree, then we got final ray. This angle is taken to be positive. Rotate in anti-clockwise direction. And if second condition, if rotation given to initial ray, rotation given to initial ray is in clockwise direction, called as then measure of directed angle, is निगेटिव्ह. तेव्हा ते अँगल काय घ्यायचा? निगेटिव्ह. सच ॲज सेम अँगल QOP but downward direction -60 degree, and therefore AOB, or therefore we can say that directed angle POQ is not equal to directed angle Q. Even they have same measure, but sign is different, and therefore they are not equal in directed angle. Okay, this is the concept of directed angle. Then what we do? We fit this angle in our coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system. Okay, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Okay, this is origin. Say x o x dash be our x-axis, y o y dash be our y-axis. Okay, and take a vertex of an angle is at origin. Here we can take vertex is of an angle at origin, and initial ray is along positive x axis. Initial ray, or we can say again R, initial ray is along positive x axis. Such a type of angle, such a type of angle whose vertex is at origin and initial ray is along positive x axis, such a type of angle we call it as a standard angle. We call it as a standard angle. Standard angle, what is basic condition? Vertex is at origin, and second condition, initial ray or R is along positive x axis. Such angle we call it as a standard angle. Where terminal are? Anywhere. Terminal arm anywhere. Such here. This is B. Or if this is a standard angle, or AO, this is a C. This is also standard angle, AOC. In this way we define a standard angle. Then depending on the number of rotations, given to the initial ray, there are 3 to 4 types. First is zero angle. Amount of rotation in terms of, okay. Now start. This is initial ray. Now rotate initial ray about O in amount of rotation किती आहे? 0. म्हणजे रोटेशनच नाही द्यायचे. म्हणजेच हाच काय आहे तुमचा टर्मिनल रे आहे. म्हणजेच अमाऊंट ऑफ रोटेशन given to initial ray equal to 0, means same initial and terminal arm. Such a type of angle we call it as a zero angle, known to you. We also draw it. Okay. Second type of angle, one rotational angle. Okay, one rotational angle is same like this. What is this figure? This is our initial ray. Okay, this is initial ray. Rotate it in anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction to obtain the same position. Again OB. काय केला? त्याच्यात काय केला? Rotate initial ray through 360 degree. We get terminal ray OA. Then also the measure of directed angle is 360 degree. कसा रोटेट केला? हा दिसायला दोन्ही सेम आहे, पण याचं मेजर 0 आहे, याचं मेजर 360 डिग्री आहे. हा झाला तुमचा वन रोटेशनल अँगल. वन मोर टाइप इज देअर and that is straight angle. This is what is definition of straight angle. Rotate the initial ray OA to obtain the position of OB opposite to that of OA. काय केलं? Rotate initial ray OA to obtain the position OB such that OB is opposite to that of OA. Then the angle is said to be straight angle and it is of measure 180 degree plus minus. If we anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise ने प्लस येईल, clockwise ने मायनस येईल. तर हा स्ट्रेट अँगल. ओके. देन राईट अँगल. नेक्स्ट अँगल इज राईट अँगल. राईट अँगल. इन दिस राईट अँगल काय केला? रोटेट वन स्ट्रेट अँगल इक्वल टू 2 right angles, or rotate initial ray OA through 90 degree or perpendicular to OB. Rotate initial ray OA through 90 degree or perpendicular to OA about O, then the angle is said to be right angle. Angle AOB is of and its measure is of 90 degree. Okay, we have seen directed angles and its type. Then come towards again standard angle. Come towards again standard angle. We have defined standard angle, the angle whose vertex is at origin and initial ray is along positive x-axis. Then such an angle we call it as a standard angle. Okay. Then if terminal ray lie here. ओके. हा तुमचा टर्मिनल रे असेल. कुठल्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये आहे? आता कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम म्हटले की याचे क्वाड्रंट किती आहेत? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट. वी कॉल इट ॲज अ सेकंड क्वाड्रंट. इट इज थर्ड क्वाड्रंट अँड इट इज फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट. यू नो दिस? ओके. देन दिस अँगल, इफ दिस पॉइंट इज दिस, देन दिस अँगल AOB is a standard angle and lie in a first quadrant. If suppose here is the point and if we take angle AOC, standard angle AOC हा स्टँडर्ड अँगल आहे आणि याचा टर्मिनल आर्म कुठल्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये आहे? सेकंडमध्ये आहे. इफ टर्मिनल लाई for a standard angle, if terminal arm lie in second quadrant, then angle is said to be in second quadrant. Similarly, if terminal arm lies in third quadrant, say R, then this angle AOR is said to be in third quadrant and similarly for fourth quadrant. ओके. तुम्हाला स्टँडर्ड अँगल येईल. अँगल कोणत्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये आहे ते पण काढता येईल. ओके. आणि मग असा हा स्टँडर्ड अँगल आणि त्याचे वेगवेगळे कन्सेप्ट्स इथपर्यंत आपण आलो. ओके. जर समजा तुम्हाला दिला की ड्रॉ अँड अँगल -140 डिग्री अँड इन विच क्वाड्रंट इट लाइज. ओके. फॉर दिस what we do? First draw initial ray OA. Then negative sign indicates that it is in anti-clockwise direction, means downward direction. Then with the help of compass take -140 degree in this direction and this angle is -140 degree. But they ask in which quadrant they lie, and therefore what we do? We draw a Cartesian coordinate system for this angle. This is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, y-axis x-axis origin, then in which quadrant it lies. In which quadrant it lies? This quadrant is third quadrant, and this angle AOB, we will draw it also, and its measure is of minus 140 degree. One more angle, 225 degree. So first what we do? Draw Cartesian coordinate system. X, O, Y. This is Y dash. This is say X dash. Okay. 225 positive direction. Okay. Start to draw the angle. This is initial ray. This is our initial ray. Okay. Standard angle. Then this is 90. This is 180. 180 plus 45. It is 225, and therefore here this angle and measure of this angle is 225 degree. In which quadrant it lies? This lies in third quadrant. Okay. One more angle, minus 60 degree. Minus 60 degree. Again what we do? Draw x-axis, y-axis, that is angle in a standard position. This is O, this is say x-axis, this is a standard position, minus 60 degree. Negative sign indicates that it is in downward direction by how many degrees? Minus 60 degree. This angle, and it lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In this way we draw any angle and find its quadrant in which it lies. Okay.